So here we are. We're back in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City. And we fell in love with Vietnam the first time we were here a year and a half ago. So we're back and we're looking forward to enjoying the chaos and the sounds, the horns of the scooters, enjoying the food. We're also going to try and visit more of the history of Saigon, which is one thing that we didn't do last time that we were here, and just really take it all in. So please come along for the ride. We're a couple of Gen Xers. We're going to take things a little slower, a little easier, enjoy what this great country and city has to offer, and enjoy what we show. So first up is the Saigon Central Post Office. This is in District 1. It wasn't actually that far from our hotel, which was nice. We are visiting in November, so it's going to be hit or miss on what kind of day we're going to have. Today we were lucky and a nice sunny day. This building was designed by Gustav Eiffel, same guy behind the Eiffel Tower. Honestly, it feels like you're stepping back in time. It is a working post office, so by all means grab a postcard. Send one off to a friend or family. And don't forget to do that nice Instagram photo while you're there. Next up is Book Street. I won't try and say that in Vietnamese. This is just actually right next door to the post office. It's a nice quiet walking street where you can get some books. Maybe a nice cup of coffee. And now we're at the Jade Emperor Pagoda. And of course, the obligatory bonsai trees, which I love in Vietnam. Just a nice little temple. And now for a little break, a little green space, Doan Park. Just a beautiful little park. It's nice to have these green spaces in the city to get a break from all the sounds of the bikes and the honking and everything. Just a great place. And this is the Independence Palace. This is a place that's frozen in time in 1975. Walking through these halls, seeing the War Command Room and the residential areas, really gives you a sense of the weight of history here. This was in the courtyard of the residential area. I just love these little green spots. After a walk around the palace, nice little treat and have some egg coffee. Okay, I'm gonna get Jay to help me pronounce this walking street. Goes there.
It's called Nguyen Way Walking Street.
And we're starting off at the People's Committee building. Statue of Uncle Ho Chi Minh. Another little break for coffee. This is one of the famous coffee buildings on the walking street, but unfortunately I couldn't get a picture from the outside. They were setting up for a performance later on that evening. And good thing we got in. A little rain through the day. Next, we're heading up there. This is the Bitexco Financial Tower. But first, another coffee, another little treat to get ourselves ready to go up that elevator. From here, you can see how the city wraps around the Saigon River. The contrast between the old red tile roofs and the modern skyscrapers is amazing. Speaking of rivers, we took a little boat tour. Seeing the skyline from the water gives you a totally different perspective from seeing it from up high.
Our boat is now approaching Narong Wharf on the right side. Built in 1862, it was one of the...
After a long day, out for a nice dinner.
Yeah. Come on. Where's my lemon?
So on this rainy day, we've headed to Chinatown, otherwise known as Cholon. So I'll get Jade to help me with the pronunciation again.
Doan Assembly Hall.
This hall is dedicated to the sea goddess Mazu. Ceramic dioramas on the roof are incredibly detailed, so don't forget to look up. Visitors can write a prayer on a card attached to a coil of incense. This represents a continuous, long-lasting prayer. To escape the rain, we went to a local coffee place, Koi Coffee. Of course, we got to feed some koi fish. Coffee culture is such a huge thing in Saigon, or in Vietnam in general. We are finishing our tour at Binh Tay Market. Unlike the touristy Ben Thanh Market, this is where the locals go to trade goods. The energy here is frantic in the best way possible. It's the perfect place to end the day surrounded by the real pulse of Saigon commerce. We came to Saigon looking for history and great food, and we found so much more than we expected. Whether it was the sensory overload of the markets or that quiet moment at the park, this city has a way of making you feel truly alive. We hope this tour gave you a few solid ideas for your own itinerary, or at least a new appreciation for this corner of Vietnam. We're just getting started with this series, so make sure you check out the other videos from this trip. Until next time, thank you so much for watching, and as always, be excellent to each other.